The wait is almost over. The stunning Pad V9, which wowed audiences in China, is now heading for a global release. Certified by the UAE's TDRA, this powerhouse tablet is ready to conquer international markets. At just 6.1 millimeters thin and weighing 475 grams, the Pad V9 is an engineering marvel. It's lightweight, durable, and boasts an SGS Gold 5-star durability rating for unmatched resilience. Experience stunning visuals on its 11.5-inch 2.8K display, with a 144 Hz refresh rate, 500 nits peak brightness, and IMAX enhanced optimizations. Every image is sharper, brighter, and more immersive. The audio is just as impressive, with 8 IMAX enhanced speakers delivering spatial audio and high-res audio for a captivating sound experience. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Extreme Edition SoC, ensuring top-notch performance. Paired with a 10,100 mAh battery and 66-watt fast charging, you'll have the power to do more for longer. Stay connected with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2. Capture moments with the 13-megapixel rear camera, or stay in touch via the 8-megapixel front camera, perfect for video calls. The Pad V9 runs on macOS 9.0 built on Android 15. It even features the innovative IOYO AI assistant, ready to make your tablet experience smarter and more intuitive. With its TDRA certification, the Pad V9 is set to launch soon in the UAE and beyond, a global release that's bound to impress. The countdown to innovation begins now!